All right. Welcome to the Chop It Up Kitchen where we chopping up food and conversation. That's right, Dr. Sebi style. Give me a minute, and as always, we about to get up in it. All right, welcome back to another episode of the Chop It Up Kitchen. Before we jump this off, go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Keep yourself posted on the updated videos and what's new to come. And also go on over and hit that link to the Chop It Up Kitchen on the gram. We got nice things over there so as well. So today we gonna be preparing for you Jamaican peas and rice, Jamaican chickpeas and rice, Dr. Sebi style. And as always, your health is your wealth, baby. And the ingredients will be down in the description box as follows. So without further ado, I'm gonna kick this recipe off for you. So we're gonna turn it up on a medium high heat. And we're gonna start off with about 2 cups, 2 to 3 cups of water, you know. I know you're saying, where's your measuring cup? But like I say, always by the eye, baby, always by the eye. I was raised cooking that way, man. My grandma never used measuring cups, so I just know how to look at it and say, oh, okay, that's enough. So we're gonna get that boiling. Add a little sea salt up in the water. Okay. Get that boiling for a few minutes. As you can see, we got it on high. We're gonna start off on high, then we're gonna reduce it down to a medium low heat once we get it boiling. So you wanna get it nice and boiling, and then you're gonna reduce the heat, baby. Reduce it, baby. Okay. First, we're gonna start off with these black chickpeas. Of course, they Dr. Sebi approved, black chickpeas. In there. And this is about 2 cups. 2 cups of black chickpeas. We ain't gonna put them all in there. 2 cups of black chickpeas soaked overnight. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box below, so don't worry about it. Put all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description box, so you ain't got to be asking me what the ingredients are. I have them there for you. All right. So we got about 2 cups of black chickpeas, 2 cups of wild rice, soaked overnight as well. Wild rice and chickpeas soaked overnight. If you ain't got time, you can soak for at least about 4 hours, and they're good to go as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get that in there as well. About 2 cups. And I'm learning with the rice and the chickpeas, you gotta play it by eye, because when they soak up, man, they soak up and they become more in the bowl overnight. So you wanna go ahead and, if you have to, reduce it down if you're not cooking for a big family. If you are, go with the 2 cups. If not, if it's just you, I would say about a cup and a half. But I'm going a big pot of it, so because I eat throughout the week, and sometimes I eat the same thing. So we're gonna go ahead and stir that on up in there. I'm gonna put all that up in there. Put all that up in there. All right. You want to cover this and let it boil. Bring it to a boil. We got a medium white onion. So we're gonna put like a medium white onion that diced, of course, diced up real good. Dice that up real good. The onion in there. We got the onion in there, and we got fresh ginger. This is about 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. I like ginger, so it's all up to you. If you want to put more or less in there, it's up to you. So, but I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons in there. Fresh grated ginger. Freshly grated ginger. Freshly grated ginger. And of course, a tablespoon of sea salt. Tablespoon of sea salt in there. Tablespoon of allspice. All right, Jamaican, baby. All right, we're gonna bring this to a boil. And of course, we got fresh thyme. Fresh thyme, time after time. And we're gonna bring this to a boil, like I say, on medium high heat. And then once it gets to boiling, we're gonna reduce the heat and let it cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. I like them done. I always like my food to slow cook, because that gets the flavor in it. So we're gonna go ahead and put the rest of this rice in. Ain't no use to saving it. Put the rest of that old wild rice in there. Of course, it's Dr. Sebi approved wild rice. Put that on in there. We got 2 more ingredients. Scotch guard peppers. You don't want to burst these, because man, they can be a doozy. They can get real. We're gonna go ahead and get that coconut milk up in there. Stir it around real good. There we go. The coconut milk up in there. And once be careful with that scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper. Be careful with that scotch bonnet pepper. Try not to bust it. And we're going to put some scallions in there. A couple of stalks of scallions in there. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and slow cook this on a medium low heat for about 45 minutes to an hour. About 45 minutes to an hour. So those ingredients will be listed in the description box. So we just add the last two ingredients in there. And we gonna go ahead and simmer. Go ahead and let it simmer up in there for about 45 minutes to an hour. And we gonna come back and see what we done hooked up. Hooked up and cooked up, baby. Chop it up kitchen style. All right, the grand finale, baby. Favorite father show, you know that. Just like butter, baby. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Your health is your wealth.